Hello everyone. In this video we will see a numerical of single phase AC series circuit in which a resistance and a capacitance is connected in series. So before we start, please subscribe the channel, like the video and share to your friends. The question is a resistor of 150 ohm is and a capacitor. Okay, so here I have to correct it. Capacitor of 150 microfarad are connected in series. So ये जो फिगर है ये हमें ड्रॉ करना है. So I drawn this figure from the question. Here it is given a resistance of 15 ohm is connected in series with a capacitor of 150 microfarad across a 230 volt 50 hertz supply, AC supply. Okay, so this is the figure and the quantities to be determined are impedance of the circuit, current, power factor, phase angle, power consumed in the circuit. So let us start. We know first thing asked is impedance. So impedance is Z and the formula for impedance is under root of R square plus XL minus XC ka whole square. But here there is no any inductor, so only it will be R square plus X XC square. Okay. So the formula for impedance for this particular figure or for this particular question is R square plus XC square, because XL is not here. Now this XC is what? It is capacitive reactance. It is capacitive reactance, and the formula for XC we all know it is 1 by 2 pi F into C. So we know the values of pi, C and F. Pi is 3.14, frequency given is 50 hertz, capacitor is 150 microfarad, so we can calculate XE, which is capacitive reactance and its unit is ohms. Okay, so XC is equal to, we put the values 1 by 2 multiplied by 3.14, frequency given is 50 hertz, C is what? 150 microfarad. So 150 into 10 to the power minus 6. 10 to the power minus 6. So it is the formula. And the values. By solving this, the value of XC obtained is, you can also calculate XC is equal to 21.22 ohms. Okay, because in C the unit was farad, but in XC the unit is ohms. Now for Z आगे चलते हैं. for Z, Z is equal to under root of we know the value of R is 15 square plus the value of XC obtained, the calculated value of XC is 21.22. Here also there is a square. ये पूरा ही एक्सक्यूज मी ये पूरा ही रूट में अंदर में होगा. So from here the value of impedance Z is equal to the obtained value, calculated value of Z is equal to 25.987 ohms. Okay, you can also calculate. So it is impedance. It is our first answer, impedance of the circuit. Now current. We know total current is what? I is equal to V by Z, and V is 230. Z we calculated the value to 25.987. So simply the value of I is V by Z, and it is I is equal to 8.85 amperes after calculation. यहाँ पे Z की वैल्यू रख दीजिए और V की रख दें. Okay, now so it is our second answer, current. Now power factor, we know for power factor the formula is simply R by Z. One of the formula is R by Z. Okay, so we know the value of R. R is 15 by, we also calculated the value of Z, 25.987. So here the power factor obtained is 0.577 leading, because in capacitor it is leading. Now phase angle, we know power factor is what? Cos of phi. Cos of phi, power factor is cos phi, and it is equal to, here some things I have to draw. Cos of phi is equal to power factor, and the value obtained is 0.577. So phi is equal to cos inverse 0.577. From here the obtained value phi is equal to 54.75 degrees. 54.75 degrees. Okay, so it is our third answer. is our third answer. Okay. Now, power consumed, we know power consumed is what? It is power, it is active power. And the formula, because active power ही power consume होती है, and the formula is, यहाँ पे मैं ऊपर लिख रहा हूँ, इसी कॉलम में अपन करेंगे. ओह, ओके, यहाँ का डिलीट कर देते हैं. Now for active power, P is equal to V into I into cos phi. ओके. रिएक्टिव पावर जो होती है वो वी आई साइन फाई होती है, और अपेरेंट पावर होती है सिंपली वी इंटू आई. बट पावर कंज्यूम्ड पूछा है, सो इट इज एक्टिव पावर. सो पी इज इक्वल टू, वी नो द वैल्यू ऑफ वी 230, we know the value of I 8.85, we know the value of power factor 0.577. Okay, so power obtained is 1174.9, and the unit of active power is watt. It is watts. So this much power is consumed in the circuit. It is our fourth answer, last answer. So thank you very much for seeing the video. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment box. Thank you very much.